G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I want to show you today is the new Wurth Transparent Replast. What is Replast, you ask? Well, Replast is a plastic repair system. So this product will glue just about any plastic products together. Now you may have seen we did a product tutorial back in 2020. And we apply a quantity of the Replast. So you'll see that the product we showed back in 2020 was a black Replast. So this is transparent. So now let's have a look at what this product is. So we'll take the little cap off and we'll put on one of the mixing nozzles. And I'll just put it into the gun. Okay, so the product now, because it's a twin cartridge, will mix in the mixing nozzle. Now, we always discard the first little bit that comes out because it may not have mixed correctly. So I've got some Perspex here, and we're going to put a blob on, just to see the colour of the product. So I've made a little pile there, and I'm just going to push this bolt in to make a thread while it dries. But while that's drying, I'll just apply some to the Perspex. And let's have a look at how clear it is. So there you go. That's the product. Now, the black mightn't work for you because of the colour, the dark colour of it. So this more white transparent Replast could be more suitable for your application. The product has a 3-minute sort of drying time, but after 30 minutes you can drill it, file it, machine it, all that sort of stuff. So it's very, very quick and it's a very strong glue. So that's the Wurth Transparent Replast, the perfect plastic repair system. Why is it perfect? Because it's solvent free. It glues just about every plastic there is out there. It's chemical resistant. It will fill holes if you've got a gap missing in your plastic. You can file it, you can drill it, you can sand it, all those sorts of things. Wurth Transparent Replast. For when the black Replast is just too dark and you need a lighter Replast, especially if you're going to paint over the top of it. So it's been about half an hour since I applied the Replast to these products. So I've got a blob of Replast here with a bolt in it. I'll talk about that in a moment. I've also here glued with the Replast 2 bits of Perspex together. I did this because I wanted to show you the transparency of it. So you can see the black of my shirt coming through. As you can see here, you can clearly see the colours coming through. Now with the blob here with the bolt in it, what I'm trying to show you is, let's say we've got a broken part of our dashboard in our car and we need to put a thread where it's broken. So we can apply the Replast, just simply push the bolt in and the Replast will set and create that thread. So now I can secure my dashboard correctly as it wanted to be. So I'll just unscrew the bolt just to show you that there is a thread in the middle. So that's the Wurth Transparent Replast. The perfect option for when the black is too dark and you want a lighter colour, maybe for painting over or something like that. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. And don't forget, at Wurth, we're ready for work.